Good morning guys, in front of me is Poco F6 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select fingerprints, face data and screen lock and mark fingerprint. Select pattern. Obviously you can choose also PIN or password, but let me pick pattern, then tap on got it and now draw it. Now you need to re-enter it just to confirm. That will be some kind of backup to fingerprint. And now it's time to enroll fingerprint. As you can see, fingerprint sensor is located in the middle of the screen, so just keep tapping till the fingerprint is fully added. And then click on done. From now on you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.